Let's learn letter sounds. The alphabet has 26 letters. We use just these 26 letters to make all the words that we read and write. In the alphabet, there are 5 main vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes Y is a vowel too. These vowels are the glue that hold words together. All English words need a vowel. All letters have an upper and lowercase letter, or big and small letter. Let's go through all the letters and say their sounds. Are you ready? Say it with me. Here we go. A, apple, A. B, ball, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, egg, E. F, fish, F. G, grapes, G. H, heart, H. I, igloo, I. J, jellyfish, J. K, kite, K. L, light bulb, O. M, mouse, M. N, nest, N. O, octopus, Ah. P, pig, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rainbow, R. S, snake, S. T, turtle, T. U, umbrella, V, violin, V. W, watermelon, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Awesome! Once you know all your sounds, you will be ready to learn to read.